Welcome back, design lovers. Today we are analyzing a stunning example of modern luxury architecture designed specifically for the indoor-outdoor lifestyle. This is a massive 4,573 square foot home featuring 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. But stats don't do this justice. The real magic here is how the design maximizes views and outdoor connection, perfect for a lakefront or scenic lot in coastal regions or southern states. If you fall in love with these designs, check the link below in the description or comments for full details and purchase options on our website. Let's dive into the plans. Looking at the main level plan, the flow is exceptional for modern living. You enter through a grand foyer with immediate access to a private study, perfect for remote work. The heart of the home is this massive open-concept great room, dining, and kitchen area, all oriented toward rear views. The gourmet kitchen features a large island, but the real pro move here is the hidden scullery behind it, essential for keeping prep messes out of sight during dinner parties. The master suite is conveniently located on this main level for longevity, featuring a cathedral ceiling and a massive spa bath. Notice the elevator near the master. That is future-proofing luxury. Finally, look at that expansive covered porch spanning nearly the entire rear width. It's essentially a second living room outdoors. Moving up to the second floor plan, accessible by the central stairs or that elevator, we find a flexible loft space. This area overlooks the great room and foyer below, creating a dramatic sense of volume and connection between the levels. The rest of this floor is dedicated to a massive bunk room suite. It has its own private bath, a walk-in closet, and access to yet another sprawling elevated rear covered porch. This is an incredible space for guests, older children, or even a secondary master suite, offering tons of privacy and those same amazing views from a higher vantage point. Down on the finished lower level, this plan really shows its entertainment value. This isn't just a basement, it is a bright, walkout destination. Centered around a huge rec room with a full wet bar, it's the ultimate hangout zone. You have 2 additional spacious bedroom suites on this level, each with walk-in closets and private bathrooms, making this perfect for teenagers or long-term guests. Just like the floors above, this level opens up completely to a massive covered porch and patio area that leads directly to that stunning pool concept. The integration of indoor and outdoor entertainment space across all 3 levels is phenomenal. Examining the exterior concepts, we see a beautiful modern farmhouse aesthetic defined by those dramatic double-stacked rear porches. The designs showcase how versatile this plan is, with different exterior materials ranging from sleek white board and batten with warm wood accents to moody dark brick or coastal shake siding. Regardless of the finish, the architecture is all about maximizing rear views, perfectly suited for a lakeside lot, a mountain ridge, or any property with scenery worth capturing. The terraced patio leading down to the infinity pool concept really cements this as a luxury entertainment home. The interior visualizations perfectly match the sophisticated modern luxury feel of the exterior. The vibe is bright and airy, utilizing high ceilings and significant exposed wood beams to add warmth to the clean architectural lines. We see stunning kitchen concepts contrasting rich navy cabinetry with white marble countertops and brass hardware. The connection to the outdoors is a constant theme, with massive sliding glass doors in the great room and dining areas that make the expansive, fully furnished outdoor living spaces feel like natural extensions of the interior. It feels resort-like, yet very livable. When analyzing this design, the strengths are overwhelming. The sheer amount of functional outdoor living space on every single level is a game changer for lifestyle in warmer climates. Having the master suite on the main floor plus an elevator ensures this is a forever home. Also, the scullery is a fantastic luxury touch, and the fact that every single bedroom has its own private ensuite bathroom is huge for comfort and resale value. On the flip side, a house with this wide footprint and extensive rear glazing needs a large private lot to really shine. Also, while beautiful, those open to below areas from the second floor can sometimes mean noise travels between the main living areas and the upstairs loft. But overall, the layout is superb. This 4,500 plus square foot modern home is truly a dream design for anyone who values entertaining and living connected to the outdoors. It balances massive, impressive spaces with practical necessities perfectly. If this plan has sparked your imagination, make sure to visit the link in the video description or the pinned comment to explore all the detailed specs, pricing, and building options on our website. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!